The jobs that created wealth in the past may not be the same ones that create wealth tomorrow. While most people focus on what is disappearing, a small number of people are quietly building skills that could become incredibly valuable in the years ahead. Becoming a millionaire is never guaranteed by learning one skill alone. Valuable skills enhance your ability to solve problems, create opportunities, and adapt. The future rewards those who combine technology, creativity, communication, business understanding, and adaptability. Let's look at essential skills for future millionaires. First, AI literacy. Understanding AI tools is crucial in many industries. You need to ask better questions, evaluate results, and automate tasks. Combine AI with human judgment to solve real problems faster and better. Next, problem solving and critical thinking. While technology provides instant information, identifying the right problem requires judgment. Strong problem solvers find opportunities where others see difficulties. Take example businesses that succeed by addressing everyday frustrations. Now, digital communication and storytelling. Clearly communicating ideas through video or writing is increasingly valuable. Those who simplify complex concepts can build audiences and businesses. Communication earns trust and helps people understand. Then, sales and negotiation. Sales will always matter. Businesses need to connect with customers and communicate value. Ethical selling listens to customer needs and creates win-win outcomes. Negotiation is vital in careers and everyday decisions. Moving on to financial intelligence. Understanding budgeting, investing, and risk is essential. Earning and managing money are two different skills. Develop your financial knowledge to make informed decisions. Let's discuss building and managing digital products. Technology allows anyone to create software and online offerings. This scalability is powerful but requires quality, marketing, and demand. Next is data literacy. Understanding data maximizes decision-making in business. You don't need to be a data scientist. Learn to ask questions, recognize patterns, and avoid misleading numbers. Creativity and innovation are next. Creativity isn't just for artists. It's about finding new solutions and combining ideas. It becomes even more valuable when paired with technology and business insight. We can also build an audience and personal brand. The internet enables knowledge sharing and trust building. Consistency and authenticity matter more than chasing followers. An audience opens opportunities. Adaptability and learning are key. Industries change rapidly, and learning, unlearning, and acquiring new skills is essential. Prepare for the future rather than waiting for it to arrive. Let's consider leadership and collaboration. Working effectively with others is crucial in an automated world. Successful businesses thrive on teamwork and emotional intelligence. Finally, combining skills is the real competitive advantage. The future may favor skill combinations over a single perfect skill. Identifying your strengths and adding complementary skills is vital. What skill are you building today that could still be valuable in 5 years? Are you preparing for the future, or simply hoping it works out? Start building skills by choosing one area, practicing consistently, and learning from feedback. The future doesn't belong to those who predict what will happen. It belongs to those who prepare for change and turn their skills into valuable solutions. Remember, skills alone won't guarantee wealth. The goal is to become more capable and adaptable. Which skill do you believe will be the most valuable in the future? Share your answer in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join Finance Flow for more original videos about wealth, business, technology, and the future of money. The landscape of future wealth creation is rapidly evolving, and individuals must not only recognize this shift but also act upon it. The journey begins with identifying a skill that resonates with your interests and career aspirations. Will it be mastering AI tools or enhancing your financial intelligence? The choice is yours, but the emphasis should be on consistent practice and openness to feedback. Every effort you invest in learning builds a foundation for success, effectively shaping your future capabilities. Are you ready to embrace these changes? Each step forward is a stride towards more adaptable and marketable skills. As you navigate this journey, remember that it's not merely the accumulation of skills that counts, but how you leverage them to address real-world challenges. Take stock of the talents you already possess and consider how they might play a role in conjunction with the skills you are acquiring. This synergy can lead to innovative solutions that minimize friction in various industries. Embrace collaboration, sharing insights and learning from others along the way, as each connection can foster opportunities you never anticipated. Consider the impact of storytelling in your skill set. It plays a critical role in how you present ideas and connect with audiences. In a world inundated with information, the ability to distill complex concepts into relatable narratives not only captures attention but also fosters understanding. Your unique voice and perspective can serve as a bridge to engage others, effectively turning passive listeners into active participants. Cultivating this skill helps build relationships, whether in personal or professional contexts. The trust built through storytelling can create loyal followers and customers who value what you offer. How will you hone your storytelling abilities to stand out in the crowd? Next on your journey, consider the essential skill of adaptability. The ability to transition smoothly through change is a necessity in today's fast-paced environment. Those who embrace flexibility can seize new opportunities and overcome challenges more effectively. Rather than resisting change, lean into it and view each shift as a chance for growth and discovery. This mindset empowers you to navigate uncertain paths and equips you with the resilience needed for continuous learning. Adaptability, after all, is not just a trait but a strategy that can significantly enhance your employability and success. As you build your skill set, keep in mind the importance of leadership and collaboration. In an increasingly automated world, effective teamwork is essential, as successful projects often rely on diverse perspectives and ideas. Cultivating emotional intelligence will enhance your ability to connect and inspire others, driving collective success. Invest in understanding group dynamics and communication styles to navigate challenges smoothly. A strong leader does not just direct, they empower their team, fostering an environment where creativity and innovation blossom through collaboration. Enhancing these skills can set you apart in a competitive landscape, allowing you to make a lasting impact. What will your first step be in developing your leadership abilities? To truly excel, you must also focus on building and managing digital products. The digital realm offers unprecedented opportunities for creators to design software and online offerings that scale. Recognizing market demand, ensuring quality, and implementing effective marketing strategies are essential to navigate this landscape. By embracing the tools available today, you can turn innovative ideas into tangible solutions that resonate with the audience. What unique digital product could you envision creating? Your potential is limited only by your imagination and willingness to take action, so explore possibilities and bring your vision to life. As you engage with this realm, remember that mastery comes with practice and experimentation, paving the way for future successes. Navigating the landscape of wealth creation also requires a keen understanding of data literacy. As businesses increasingly rely on data for decision-making, the ability to interpret and analyze information sets you apart. Learn to ask the right questions and discern patterns within datasets. This skill enhances judgment and foresight. It's not about becoming a data scientist, but about leveraging data insights to guide strategy and innovation effectively. Will you embrace this opportunity to refine your understanding and application of data in your daily operations? More than just numbers, data becomes a tool for understanding trends, enhancing your overall decision-making capabilities. While the focus on fundamental skills is crucial, fostering creativity and innovation cannot be overlooked. With technology's rapid advancement, generating fresh ideas and novel solutions becomes essential. Think about how you can merge existing concepts or approaches in unexpected ways, as this is where true breakthroughs often occur. Cultivating a mindset that welcomes experimentation will enable you to think beyond conventional boundaries and discover unique pathways to success. The future is a canvas rich with opportunity, and the journey to becoming a millionaire is one of continuous learning and adaptability. Embrace the challenge, cultivate essential skills, and prepare yourself to thrive in an ever-evolving landscape. Your proactive choices will determine the paths you create. The future awaits your unique contributions.